Why do doctors recommend taking NMN supplements? Today, we will give you a comprehensive explanation of what NMN is and its specific health benefits. First, what exactly is NMN? It is a naturally occurring active nucleotide in the human body. Its structure is very similar to vitamin B3, therefore it is considered a derivative of vitamin B3. Its main function is as a direct precursor to NAD+, which means it can be directly converted into NAD+ in the human body. NMN is widely found in many foods, such as avocados and edamame, but in relatively small amounts. Therefore, the human body must rely on dietary supplements to ingest relatively large doses of NMN NAD+, which is associated with longevity, is a coenzyme whose main function is to activate telomerase. Telomerase protects telomeres. What are telomeres? Telomeres are similar to a protective sheath on the DNA in the human body. This protective sheath prevents DNA damage. As long as the DNA is undamaged, it means that our heredity or replication can continue smoothly. During DNA replication, telomeres are not replicated. So, with each replication and cell division, the telomeres shorten. When the telomeres shorten to their minimum, the DNA, lacking this protective sheath, ceases replication, and human life ends. In the field of anti-aging, protecting telomeres is a crucial task. Telomerase is a very important enzyme for protecting telomeres. Telomerase activity is activated by NAD+ spikes. In 2013, David Sinclair, leading a renowned team at Harvard University specializing in pandemic response, facilitated an experiment where mice were fed NMN for several weeks. The results showed that the mice's diet and motor performance improved, and their life expectancy increased by 30%. Therefore, in animal experiments, it does indeed have some impact on anti-aging. Japanese studies have shown that it is completely safe for adults to take 500 milliliters daily. In 2024, Meiji Corporation of Japan conducted a study on participants aged 65 and 75 who took 250 mg of Aidevi NMN daily for 12 consecutive weeks. They found a significant or improved level of NAD+ activity in their blood. Over 100 scientific studies published in world-renowned journals such as Science, Nature, and Research have confirmed a clear correlation between NMN and antioxidants, longevity, and NAD+ activity. When purchasing NMN products, it is essential to pay attention to their purity and concentration and to ensure safe use.